Say good morning, world. Good morning, little. You got your blanket on. Oh my goodness. What, you got a hair bow? You got a hair bow today? What is that? Oh, your mommy got you cute. Oh, let's get you out. Y'all, look at this dang on cutie. Say, look at my shirt. Say, look at my shirt, world. Poop, there it is. Say, because I had several poop explosions yesterday. 2 to be specific. 2 to be specific. You looking at the candle? You looking at the candle? Or you trying to get the camera? What you trying to do? Hi, little cutie. Hi, little cutie. Hey, little cutie. Hey, little cutie. You mommy got you a hair bow today. She got you a hair bow today. This shirt is so freaking cute. With her little black leggings. Her and her mom got on black leggings today. Are y'all matching? You want to get out. You know all the fun starts when you get the TT's out. Oh, you got the same shirt on. Are y'all a coordinated unit? Are y'all a unit today? What is going on? This is so stinking cute. Really? This what y'all mom got you dressed in? Are y'all a coordinating unit? Hey, it's a man. Hey, it's a man. Hey, it's a man. Girl. Guys, we migrated upstairs. We upstairs because we got carpet. Since Ethan is crawling now, I have to bring him upstairs because he just like to go. And you can't do that on them hardwood floors. You gotta have carpet. See, you gotta have carpet. You gotta have carpet. Yep. You was doing it. Let me see. Let me see. Why was he spitting bubbles? Let me see. Let me see. No. Look at his little strong legs. Hey. Say, I'm just back there playing with my bottle. Hey. Hey. Hey, guys. Hi. Say, we playing. Say, I'm so lovable. I'm so lovable. Ooh. And he's out. Y'all, we done discovered Mickey Mouse. And they like it. They is chilling, watching Mickey Mouse. Everybody's cool. I'm enjoying it myself. Nothing wrong with you except for the fact you're sleepy and your teeth are coming in. His little body. Oh, night. It's okay. You fed. You got a clean diaper. You've been loved and cared for. It's okay. I know. It's okay. She did her time. Now she is. Everything's so cute. So is the whole family dressed alike today? I noticed you had your black leggings and stuff on.
Well, I guess I could put my naturally dope white shirt on, but I
no, that's that. Okay. I said, what the hell do Roman got on? That's what I want to know.
Roman didn't wash his ass yesterday, so I don't know.